Tuesday. I can't go to jail yet.
I'm not gonna get arrested. We're just gonna
Just threw that shit.
Dude, wasn't somebody shooting this kind of shit out yesterday near the park?
Yes.
Okay, here's a suggestion. Maybe instead of on doing those, we could do the road. No, it's on the railing. But still, that's what people are thinking. Ow! I just got hit by something. What the fuck? What?
That shit right hit me.
I want to grab it because I don't know if there's one missing.
Bam!
Just got shot, bitch.
Go ahead, do that one loud.
Nah, dude,
Louder.
Is this one loud? Can I just light this and throw this motherfucker?
Yeah. I do that all the time.
Does it matter where I throw it at?
No.
Just on the grass?
Yeah.
Hold on, Andy. Let them do what they're doing.
You ain't gonna use it now, are you?
Well, you're done with that.
Blow it out.
Not at them. Near them.
In the ditch.
I might need to cut the fuse a little bit so it actually will blow off faster.
You never know when that fuse is gonna go.
Right?
You do that shit too, don't you?
Get the fuck out of there!
Oh,
Where's the big dude? Kendall.
Did you get that on camera?
That shit was crazy.
Dylan was running for his life.
Oh, yeah.
What happened to mine? What happened to mine?
I don't know.
There's one over here. I was gonna light one and throw
You
it over
still
that way.
recording it?
Yeah.
Fire no!
Duck cover! Dude, there's a car.
Oh! I didn't know where that one went.
There's a car coming.
There's a car coming.
No, Andy, it turned.
It was coming in a minute.
My turn.
Holy.
Hold the fuse out all the way. The lighter. No, hold my lighter. Kendall's got it. Hurry up, Dylan.
Kendall,
Yeah.
you gotta throw these motherfuckers at the same time.
No, dude, we ain't throwing them, dude. Hell no. You ain't.
Hell no, don't throw these.
Don't throw them.
Look at him, he just throwing evidence.
What happened?
Evidence.
Some crazy shit, yeah. Dylan's doing that army shit.
Do I need to take all this plastic shit off right here?
Y'all gotta hit the ditch when that shit comes down.
AJ, jump in the ditch and fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole!
They really got us good that time. Hold on, Dylan, I got you.
Hey, Dylan, you gotta take all this plastic shit off here. I can't get it.
I got you back. Here's other two.
Here's one. It's a lanyard now.
Dick! Hurry!
I think he wants to play hot potato with you.
Hot potato?
Dude, are we almost done with all this shit?
Yeah.
Damn, dude, I thought it'd be longer.
We're doing it fast.
We should wait till it's darker, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking Derek wanted to get that shit going.
Hit the deck, dumbass.
Oh yeah, it's smoke. Hey, Kendall.
I want to light this one with yours.
Are you good, AJ?
Yes!
Are you really?
Yes!
Do that again?
Yes!
Holy metal.
Holy shit!
That was pretty.
I'm gonna throw this. Dick!
You got light it.
Throw me ammo.
Boom. If you didn't catch it.
Boom! Kendall, show me do it. Do it once, do it. It'll work. Ladies and gentlemen,
ultimate.
That's how we know if we really in the Marines.
Yeah. I'm sorry, but Marines don't do this shit. They let the morons do it.
We the morons.
Fuck yeah, we're morons and proud. If you don't like it, you can
feeling
get
it
it.
yet, man? Feeling anything yet?
I'm more enthusiastic.
Dude, that was great.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a test. This has not been attempted before.
Never.
Don't hit yourself in this match, running away.
AJ, I love you.
I love you more.
I love you more.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
How much you love her, AJ?
I love you like, you know, those Hobbit love muffins. Love you more than the Hobbits love the Shire. There you
I don't believe you. I love you more.
go.
Come
That's
on,
a lot
man.
of love, too.
Shit, I might as well just light this one and throw it at him.
Let's
Get
go
him to
do
hurry
it,
up.
man. Man, don't hurry up, man.
The wind's fucking them up.
I'm about to do that in a moment.
Let's tie them together and throw them. It might blow something up like hell.
Run, 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 run!
Oh god, that just scared me.
Dude, I thought it was about to come out. Dude, I thought
Fuck that! Shake him down!
I was about to shoot at him when it took over.
That shit hit me in the eye, bro.
That shit about got my head.
That'd be the best part if it goes inside the car.
Line up for the simple fact that if the cops do go to here, they're gonna look at the people who's lighting them.
They're gonna look at all of us, Andy.
Don't fuck off.
You're really gonna tell
All
a
the
cop
trash
fuck
is
off
gone,
and
too.
get your
There
ass
ain't no
arrested?
proof in my car that I have it.
Oh yeah, go down the light.
Oh, they're gonna go after proof. I might need to get rid of this paper.
Ladies and gentlemen, God bless America.
Okay.
I was like, where the fuck did it go?
Oh shit, that shit is spot. Always brace for impact.
Yeah.
Like, I don't care where it is, I'm just ducking.
Those of you who like Obama,
Fuck Obama.
we got you the black grenade right here.
Barack drama bullshit.
The Black Rocket, ladies and gentlemen. I present
Obama's people.
why Obama should die.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Where's the debris?
Just like Obama, always late.
Is that it?
Just like Obama, gotta be the bitch at the end.
Is that all of it, Dylan?
I hope
Yep.
so.
It's all of it.
I was like, whoosh, 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 whoosh.
Alright.